Happy morning to everyone. So today once again I am here. So many of the parents and my friends always they used to ask how to create a bonding, good bonding with my child. So I thought today I'll just speak about that. When it comes to the bonding, we should understand how it should be created and what we generally do. Generally, as a parent, we feel that we are giving our time, we are doing everything for our children, and but why are they behaving in a such a way? I do agree. As a parent, every day is a journey for us to learn something new and to do something new to make our kids happy. But why do we do all this thing with our children? So that they should take their responsibility, they should be happy in their life. All such kind of things are there behind of all this. They should be very responsible. For that, we need to just add in our regular always I think in my previous video also I told that understand how to design your timetable for your child with you. That's very important. So I hope that you all have worked on that and you all have designed your timetable. But then also to create the bonding, few things, very simple things you need to adapt in your life, and I share with you all three tips actually. And if you will start doing that, I'm pretty much sure that after 1 month many of you will give your feedback that yes, your child is listening to you and you have found that they have very emotional bonding with you. So what are those three things? First thing is morning ritual. Yes, why I'm saying morning ritual? When the child is getting up, generally what happens, we used to say, beta, you are getting late, just get up in the morning. It's very, why you people won't follow the time and all. No, it should not be. When you go to your child, bless your child, just pat your child, whether you kiss here or whether you just say something in their ear. So what happens, the child will get up with a very good smile, and the same thing the child will do with you. That's only we need it. It means morning when your child is getting up, the child has to get up with a positive vibration which should be given by you. This is the first thing which you have to do. After that you follow up your good quality time with drinking milk and tea, whatever. But understand morning ritual, blessing your child with a smile, and same thing your child has to do with you. That's very important. The second thing every day which you all have to do, we used to say sharing is caring. So how you are going to share? At least in a day 9 minutes take out, whether in evening when you come back from the office or whenever you think that's your free time, whether the dinner, whether lunch time. Understand your problem, your happiness should be shared with your kids. I understand many of the people say that what is the need to share my happiness and especially my problems with my child, what my child will do. Why I used to say that if today you are sharing your problem, you are sharing your happiness, same thing when your child is growing up, when they are coming to the teen, they also will do with you. They will share their problem with you. Although it might possible they won't have the solution for your problems, but what happens, you are creating here emotional bonding with your child. Sometimes might possible you will get solution of your problem also, very cute solution they used to give. So here you have to create the bonding, family bonding. For that your child should involve with your happiness, with your problems also. And you will find marvelous changes actually in your family also when your child take the responsibility. And the third thing which is very very important, that many times I have told to many of you that your bedtime. Why I used to say bedtime? When the child and whether you, when we go for sleep, our subconscious mind work wonderfully. So just trigger to your subconscious mind whatever you do before you are going to the bed, that only recall in your mind again and again. So please have your bedtime should be designed very well. You should have some story books. Generally I follow Bhagavad Gita, sometimes I read Bible, sometimes I read very good story with my child. So what happens here, we share our knowledge before we sleep. So with all these three tips, you could find marvelous. I can't express my feelings when I do, and I have seen a lot of changes in my child, and when my daughter behave with me with a lot of positive solutions and all. So please adapt in your life and follow these tips, which is going to just create a lot of emotional bonding with your kids actually. So I hope these tips are going to work in your life, and share your feelings with me for sure. Thank you so much.